Hey guys, we are doing shrimp scampi today. We're gonna do it just like they do in a lot of fine dining, expensive restaurants. I got some shrimp. I already got some 1620s here. Let me just show you a real easy way here to clean these up. I like to use scissors, quick and easy. That's got a little water. It's a real quick instant brine. Got a little salt. We just want to stick it right up into the back of it here. And we're just gonna scissor all the way down. You can kind of feel your way. You just push it until you get to the tail here. That makes it easy. You just pull it apart on the end. You can see the shell comes off really easy. Clean that off in our water here. Run your little finger through there. I want to get this lemon juice done ahead of time. This is going to go really fast, so we're not going to have time to do this when we start cooking. So I want to make sure it's all ready to go. Okay, we want to make a quick little shrimp stock. I got mirepoix that I've already cut up. We got our celery, carrots, and onions. We have our shrimp shells here that we saved. We didn't throw those out. We kept those. We're going to toss them in here. We got some peppercorns, bay leaf, a bunch of parsley stalks that I saved. Now we're just going to cover this with some water. We're just going to let this simmer for about 20 minutes, maybe 30 minutes. We don't want to go much longer than that. It tends to, the shrimp shells can get kind of bitter if you cook them too long like that. So just a real quick stock we're making. Great stock, a great base will give you a great finished product. And that is the only way to do it. There are no shortcuts. Make it great from the start. Okay guys, our stock's been going for about 20 minutes. Woo, smells amazing. Just gonna give it a quick strain. Squeeze out any of these extra juices in here. Try to get as much flavor as we can in this short period of time. Getting our pan heated up here. Let's get our shrimps. We can do a little oil on these guys. Salt, pepper. It's just starting to smoke. That's when we know this guy is ready. That is perfect. These are about done. Beautiful color on those. Got our shallots. Lots of garlic. I love my garlic. Gonna come in with our lemon juice. It's gonna deglaze all that shrimp that's charred on the bottom of the pan with some great flavor. And we're reducing this lemon juice, and what we're doing is pulling all the natural sugars out of it. It's really gonna mellow out the acidity exactly where we want it. We got our white wine. We're gonna reduce that down probably about a quarter of the way, third of the way. And while we got this going, we got our water boiling. You can see we got the white wine reduced down. We got our shrimp stock that we made. Gonna reduce that down maybe to half, the third. And that was a good time. Adjust the seasoning. Do a little salt and chili flakes. We're gonna get a little butter in here now. Woo, look at that, amazing. Let's get our shrimps back in there, getting good coated in the sauce. Throw that straight into our sauce here. Smell it. I just got some of our cherry tomatoes here I want to finish this with. Parmigiano Reggiano. A little lemon zest. I forgot a little parsley. We gotta take some shortcuts when we cook at home. Don't quite have the firepower in my home kitchen here, so we'll use this little guy to help get a little color on these guys. Ooh, that smells great. There you guys go, shrimp scampi. Woo, that's pretty good, right? Just check this sucker out. Oh man. That's it, baby, right there. Woo.